We can express concentration of a solution as a percentage. One way is percentage mass in volume or mass by volume. Percentage mass in volume or mass by volume. Instead of the word mass, we can use the word weight. Then we have to use percentage weight by volume. There are two problems here. Let's solve them. First one, calculate the weight volume percent of a 3-liter solution containing 3 moles of HCl. Calculate the weight volume percent of a 3-liter solution containing 3 moles of HCl. Molar masses have been given hydrogen 1, chlorine 35.5. We must remember mass of the solute should be taken in grams, volume of the solution should be taken in milliliters. We have been given mass of the solute in moles. Therefore, we have to convert this 3 moles into grams. For that, we have to find molar mass of HCl plus. It is not difficult. 1 plus 35.5, 36.5. 3 moles to grams. 1 plus 35.5 equals 36.5 molar mass of HCl. That means in 1 mole of HCl weigh 36.5 grams. In 1 mole of HCl there are 36.5 grams. Then in 3 moles of HCl how many grams are there? We can find the answer in this way. 36.5 grams divided by 1 mole HCl multiplied by 3 mole HCl. 36.5 grams divided by 1 mole HCl multiplied by 3 mole HCl. Units should be cancelled out. Mole HCl, mole HCl. Then we get 109.5 grams. But this is not our main answer. To solve this problem, we can use this formula. Percentage weight by volume equals weight of the solute in grams divided by volume of the solution in milliliters multiplied by 100. Now we can substitute values. Weight of the solute in grams, we have found it 109.5 grams. 109.5 grams. Volume of the solution in milliliters, 3000 milliliters. 3000 milliliters mean we have been given 3 liters. We have to convert this 3 liters into milliliters. For that we have to multiply this 3 by 1000. Then we get 3000. 109.5 grams divided by 3000 milliliters multiplied by 100 milliliters. We should cancel out units. Milliliters. Then we get our answer 3.65% weight by volume. Now let's go to the next problem. An antibiotic contains 1.2% milliliter of clindamycin. How many grams of clindamycin are in 75 milliliter of the solution? An antibiotic contains 1.2% of 2% milliliter of clindamycin. How many grams of clindamycin are in 75 milliliter of the solution? This is a 1.2% milliliter of clindamycin solution. Therefore, every 100 milliliter of this antibiotic contains 1.2 grams of clindamycin. Therefore, 1 In 100 milliliter of this antibiotics, there are 1.2 grams of clindamycin. Then 75 milliliter of this antibiotics, how many grams of clindamycin are there? You can find the answer in this way. 1.2 grams divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 75 milliliters. 1.2 grams divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 75 milliliters. We can cancel out units, milliliters, milliliters. By simplifying this, we can get our answer 0.9 grams of clindamycin. How many grams of clindamycin are in 75 milliliter of the solution? There are 0.9 grams of clindamycin. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. God bless you.